So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $5 every single day with one click of button. But that is not easy, it requires some work. So in this video I'm going to show you everything from top to bottom, all the tutorials, all the tricks, and also if you watch until the end, additional trick that you can earn a little bit more money on top of this one. So watch that video until the end for this. So before I get in the videos, if you are new to my channels, please subscribe to my channels, press the bell icon. If you really like a video, click that like button on the bottom of the video, so it motivates us to bring a daily money making video every single day for you guys. We are not selling anything, we are providing a workable and knowledge for free, guys. So also watch that video until for the £10 giveaway for every single day. So watch that video until the end. So what is this video is about? This video is about make money doing freelancing gigs. Okay, so you're gonna do some freelance work and you can earn money, but you are not going to you don't need to have a special skills. You don't have to be in professional or anything, and if this system work worldwide, yes, you can use this system to make money online worldwide. But for this video I'm going to show you one method, but for this I'm going to show you entire other method way to do that method without any skill and professionals softwares. You can use the free tools. Also I'm going to show the platform where you can list these jobs, and also other platform where you can promote and earn more money. So the first thing I want to do is talk about a freelancing gig that I am listing on Fiverr. Is called background remover. You can see these people are doing this for £4.19, and this is a basic and a lowest price possible, and they can go up to 238. They remove background from product images and normal images, so each of them are getting some gigs there and there, but it's all up to you to how you promote and get sales. I will talk about it in the end. So this is the idea. So you can do a background remover gig using free tools, which I'm going to show you today, or you can do retouching images. You can do video creating. If you see my old video about Vietnamese or content samurai, you can create video for 1 minute and you can charge $10 for that. So there's a ton of gigs that you can do without any professional skill. So these people, you can see they're charging $4.99 for this removing background. So if I show you, this is my gig. I'm listed already on Fiverr. You can see this is my gig, and removing background images from that. I am doing 12 images for $4.99 because I'm using a free software, so I don't want to charge you more, guys. This is a trick. When you are using your free tools and everything, charge lowest as possible so you can get more sales. So this is the idea. So in this video I'm going to show you the way that you can earn money is by removing background from images. So for this video, this is an example. You can use different things. Now I show you the way that I'm going to show you the free tools that you can use in order to remove a background from images. You can use it today. It's completely free. The first one is called remove.bg. Okay, so if it is free, then you create click upload image, then you can upload the image that you want to remove a background, and click that and open that image here. Now it will load the image in here. You can see. Now what you have to do, you can, okay, if you see original, this is the original image, and if this is the background automatically removed, you can see is fine as possible. There's nothing is removed too much or less. Or also you can do is click this button called edit, and it will open this image. There you can what you can do, erase and restore the part of the image. So if I click this one and click restore, and I can restore the part I want, or if I can click this one erase, I can erase the part I don't want. So you can do that like this. Also if you want, you can add a background image for this. You can ask the a customer if you want to add a background image for that image, so you can add that. You can see different images, you can add different image background you can add for these images. This is how you can do that. Then you download that into PNG format, so you can get that image in a PNG format where the background is removed. This is the first tools that you can use. The second one is called Canva. Canva is the most people are using. It's the best designing tools ever and online. You can see this is the image I want to remove. This go to the effects section here, and it will all load up this page called background remover. They added it now. Then it will automatically remove background from these images. Now see, you can see the background is removed. You can click this button called download. On that download section, you need to select a PNG format here and select the transparent background, and you can increase the size of the image by here and download that. So you're gonna get the download file with the PNG format and the transparent background. This is the way that you can use to these two free tools you can use to remove background. So there's other tools too for other gigs also available, so free to use. You can go and search it on online. There's nothing gonna stop you guys. So if you want to make a video, so there's a ton of tools that you can use to make videos for free. You don't have to pay anything. So now it's done. So where you can list the gigs, first I recommend is go to Fiverr and list it out. It's easy to create an account with them. So you have to go here and create, and after that after you create that account, you create here this button called switch to selling. Automatically it will switch to the seller account where you fill certain information like your name and the detail, everything. After that you can list this gig. You're gonna take 5 to 10 minutes to create that. You can do that same thing with other network like this one is called freelancing.gig.com. all the website link will be provided in the description, so you can go and sign it up. So this is the one of the website is called freelancing.gig.com, where you can list this gig for $5. So you can see people are listing that for $5. And the other website called freelancer.com is, again, you click this button called earn money freelancing, create account, and you can list that gig there. And there's other one is called upwork.com. You can see people are charging $9.99, $18 and $10 and $5 and $7, and you can see the proof. The people are earning lots of money every single day by doing these gigs. So these are one of the example. You have another website called peopleperhour.com, where you can do the same thing. Literally you can see £12, 16, 15 pounds for that gig. There's another new website is called, I never heard of it, but the people have a good review. It's called insolvo.com. You can see the link here. I put the link in the description. Other one is called localsolo.com, where you can do these gigs and you can earn money. Now this part is done. Okay, you create the gigs. I show you the tools that you can do that efficiently do your job without you have to have any professional skills. But how are you gonna make money? How are you gonna drive traffic into your gigs and earn money? That's the key for these gigs. Okay, because if you go and see then Fiverr, there's a ton of people doing the gig, so you need to have a good review to be in the #1 page and the #1, so people can click and buy it from me. So for you can see this person have over 1,000 review. He started way back in time. Now because of that he have a lots of review. See, he's a #1 person. You come, if you are new, you can't come to that, so you can't get that sales organically, and it is impossible. You can get 1 or 2 sales, but it is impossible. So how you can get the sales is by driving traffic by yourselves. Again, if you don't have enough budget to do advertisement on AdWord or Facebook, you can use other organic free method in order to drive traffic. So first what you have to do, go to your Word document or Google document, whatever, and type, okay, if you want to remove a background from any images like a product image or your personal image, click this link. You can get do it for cheaper, something like that, and put your Fiverr link here. Okay, so this is my gig, so I can copy that link here and put it here. Now copy this and go to Facebook and search for hire freelancer. So if you search for that, the freelancing website also they have on Facebook pages. You can say people have, some other people have a pages. Also you can search for classified ad. In these pages people are posting classified ad. Okay, basically a link. So you can, what you have to go is free to join, create post. What you do, just copy and paste your post here. The link is here, so people can click and go ahead and buy your gigs, and you can make money by that. So post, and it will automatically post. And these are one of the examples. You got thousands of pages related to the same topic. Join as much as you can. It's free, and post your content there. So you can see I search for hire freelancer, and these are the websites. I can see freelancers jobs. People are posting content for freelance job available, so you can go ahead and post it here. The other website is again is for people per hour. This website also have their own Facebook page here, so you can go ahead and create post here and post your detail, and people can come and buy your course from here. And see, this page have 160,000 followers. So if you are posting on a specific page like people per hour or Fiverr Facebook page, don't spam them with other links. So on the people per hour, I have a more chance to get sales if I post people per hour gigs here. So if I joined on people per hour and I offer background remover gig, I copy that link and put it in their Facebook page, so you have a more chance to convert them into my customer other than putting Fiverr link on people per hour Facebook page. This is another example. Also, you can go to here on Twitter, search type any freelancer or freelancer. These are the recent posts will open up, so you can go ahead and put your link there, and people can click and come and buy it from you or buy it from your gigs. This is the one way that you can promote your gigs and earn money from it. And again, it requires some works. Like I said, you can earn money, you can earn like a $5 or $10 with one click of button, but that is not simple. You need to put some work in order to earn money. There's nothing in the world is free money. You need to put some work to earn that money. So this is one way that you can earn money from freelancing website. What is other way that you can make money on freelancing website without posting any content, without creating any gigs? There's a one way that you can do it is doing affiliate marketing. If you go down to bottom, there's a section called become affiliate for Fiverr network. I can't find it. Where is it? Yes, there is a button called affiliate. If you click that, it will open this page where you can sign up for the free account. You will get approved immediately after you sign up. That you can join as an affiliate. It's a free to get started, access marketing material tools and more, promote Fiverr, share your Fiverr with your target audience, and start earn money. At the moment, all of the freelancing website I showed you in this video, the Fiverr and this website in Solvo is doing affiliates. Not other networkers are doing affiliate marketing. These two websites are doing affiliate. So join with them. What do you have to do is, I can show you my affiliate network here. I joined it today, automatically allowed, approved. You don't have to wait for the review or something like that. I promote one link. You can see one unique click and one person click that link. What you have to do, click this tool called marketing tools and give 3 sections. If you click all marketing tool, and it will give this banner advertisement. You can copy this link and put it on your website if you have own website. Like, okay, if you have own website, you can put this banner advertisement. If you don't have it, you can click this default and deep links, and if you keep these links, like a Fiverr hybrid or Fiverr learn or Fiverr this one, if you copy this one and or paste it here, I can show you here, and you can see this about Fiverr, take you to Fiverr homepage. So you can copy that link and promote that link, and you can earn money. So what you have to do is do the same thing, copy this link and go to social media pages. You need to do some researches, find the keyword that people are searching for example, removing background or making videos or building website. Go to those posts, those pages and comment them, answer them, and put the link here. You can go ahead and this person create you a website for less than $10. When you promote that, when people click the link and buy in other gigs, you're going to get the commission for that. So this is the second way that you can earn money from freelancing website without posting any contents or without posting any gigs. It's doing by affiliate marketing. Alright guys, I believe you understand what this video is about. First thing, you're gonna make money online by doing some gigs on freelancing website using some free tools. For in this video I should talk about removing background, but you can also do other gigs like video making and photo retouching with free tools that are available online. These are the one way that you can earn money by doing your own gigs, and you need to self-promote your gigs in the beginning using social medias and other classified ad section on other website in order to get initial sales. Then when you start to build up a reviews and good feedbacks, then you can get the sales organically from freelancing website. This is a one way. The second way that you can join the affiliate marketing program with those sites and promote their gigs. You can promote any gigs that you want and you can earn money from that. At the moment, all the websites I showed you in the video, only 2 of them are doing affiliate marketing. There's other couple of websites that there you can go and search it out. Again, you can earn money by clicking one single button, but it needs some work in order to make that money. Thank you guys for watching my video until the end. If you want to win a £10 PayPal cash, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like a video on the comment section, write I like this video and put your PayPal address. So when this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Until that, see you in next.